This is an updated video on the development status on my watch case generator that I'm working on. The watch case generator is generally based on FreeCAD. I think FreeCAD is a great CAD software which you can use like for a lot of different use cases. Like you can see here, I'm not using FreeCAD the way it's meant to be used, but rather use it as a base for a custom CAD software. And in this case, I have developed a watch case generator which creates a 3D model of a watch case, and you can afterwards download the not only you can also hide the irrelevant parts of the watch case. You can see what 3D model is going to be exported, and then by clicking on generate you can save the case as an STL file, which can then be used to slice it in a slicer software that I used for 3D printing. So as you can see, I have just saved the case.stl file, and I will open it in Cura, which is a slicer software. So this is a very easy workflow for people who don't know how to use CAD software. And by creating this watch case generator, I wanted to provide a solution for people to be able to easily generate custom watch cases, which they can then 3D print and build their own watch designs. At this moment, there's only one general design with two parameters that can be changed. As you can see here, you can change the size of the watch case, and you can also set the lug width of the watch case, which corresponds to the to the watch bracelet, or so you can, if you already have a bracelet that you want to use, you can just set the lug width to the required size, and then you could use the lug width without modifying your bracelet. So it has now loaded in Ultimaker Cura, which is, I think, one of the best slicer software. It's also free, and I don't know if it's open source, but it's certainly free. And here you can see the imported model. On the right you can then set the slicing options and then export the G-code which is needed by the 3D printer. That way people can print this at home with their own 3D printers, for example with the Elegoo Mars, which uses the SLA technology, or the what's it called, the Ender 3 or Ender 3 Pro, which are I think it's the most popular 3D printer with FDM technology at this moment. I've also tried out some sample prints, and it turned out great, but I think I need to implement a compensation feature which allows you to compensate the I don't know how would you call it, but the holes inside the watch, because the FDM technology makes those holes undersized, and you have to slightly sand them in order for the movement to fit. I think this video gave you an insight into the development status of this watch case generator, and I hope you enjoyed it.